also been working on full holographic AR glasses. Yeah, thanks for keeping them secure.
Close that for me.
There you go. This is Orion, our first fully functioning prototype.
In the race for technological supremacy, big companies are creating revolutionary progress. In less than 100 years, we have acquired and developed unique tools to improve our lives. The battle for our attention has become an art that generates one technology after another. Gadgets, neural networks, self-driving cars, quantum computers, and this list will endlessly grow. But today, we will talk about Meta's invention, the Orion glasses. How will these glasses impact the modern industry? Will they withstand the battle among tech giants like Microsoft, Google, Apple? Let's discuss the key features of these glasses and how they can be useful in your life. Let's begin.
This is Orion, our first fully functioning prototype, and if I do say so, the most advanced glasses the world has ever seen.
Meta has unveiled its new Orion smart glasses, and the company claims that this is not just another gadget, but a completely new way of interacting with augmented reality. The objective behind Orion is ambitious: to create a device that will become as essential to our lives as smartphones have been for over a decade. This goal reflects a significant shift in how we envision our relationship with technology. So why might these glasses achieve this level of importance? For starters, Orion allows us to see digital objects and information directly in front of us, seamlessly merging the real and virtual worlds. Imagine walking down the street and getting directions overlaid on your line of sight without the need to pull out your phone. Need to check a message? It will pop up right in front of your eyes. This kind of convenience could transform our daily routines, allowing for a more fluid integration of technology into our lives. Imagine attending a meeting from your living room, with holographic representations of your colleagues present right before your eyes. This kind of convenience could transform our daily routines, allowing for a more fluid integration of technology into our lives. The design of Meta Orion is a big leap forward compared to previous attempts at smart glasses, which often fell short due to awkward aesthetics and bulkiness. These glasses are remarkably lightweight, weighing less than 100 grams, which is significantly lighter than competitors like Magic Leap or HoloLens. This focus on comfort and style is crucial, as it encourages longer wear and broader acceptance among consumers. The Orion glasses consist of three main components: the glasses themselves, an external computing unit, and an EMG, electromyography, wristband for gesture control. This innovative wristband reads tiny muscle movements on your wrist, allowing you to control the glasses with simple hand gestures like pinches or flicks. Imagine scrolling through a menu with a swipe of your hand or selecting an option with a pinch. It's intuitive and feels natural. Meta aims to make the design not only functional but also stylish and comfortable enough for all-day wear. The glasses are designed to resemble regular eyewear, which could make them more appealing to everyday users. However, the current models still exhibit noticeable thickness compared to traditional glasses. Let's talk about what truly makes Orion impressive. One of the coolest features is the holographic display with a 70-degree field of view. This expansive view allows users to see more virtual objects at once, making interaction with augmented reality feel more natural and immersive. The broader field of view creates a more engaging experience by allowing digital content to blend seamlessly with the physical environment. When it comes to control, Meta spares no innovation. You can utilize voice commands, eye movements, or gestures thanks to the EMG wristband. Imagine walking through a crowded street, needing to send a message or check a notification. With Orion, you can simply speak or perform a subtle gesture to interact with the device. This hands-free operation could be a game changer for multitasking and on-the-go communication. Moreover, the integration of Meta's AI takes the experience to a whole new level. The AI understands context, allowing for smarter interactions. For instance, if you ask Meta to find a restaurant, it could not only show you options, but also overlay directions onto your real-world view, making navigation intuitive. As with any new technology, Orion has its challenges. While it is positioned as a potential smartphone replacement, there are a few significant hurdles to overcome. The biggest issue, and one that consistently arises with augmented reality devices, is battery life. Most current AR devices only last a few hours before needing a recharge, and unfortunately, Meta's Orion is no exception at this point. While the external computing unit helps extend battery life by offloading processing tasks, carrying an additional piece of hardware isn't always convenient or appealing. Moreover, the production costs could make Orion quite expensive for the average consumer. The initial pricing for similar products, such as Apple's Vision Pro, stands at a staggering $3,499, which clearly isn't affordable for everyone. Speaking of competitors, there are already giants on the market like Apple with its Vision Pro, as well as Microsoft with its HoloLens. Each of these companies has its unique strengths and market strategies. However, Meta has a significant advantage: its massive ecosystem, which includes social media giants like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. This expansive user base could facilitate the integration of Orion with existing platforms, making these glasses not just a tool for work, but a means of communication and social interaction. So when can we expect Meta Orion to launch? There's no exact release date yet, but it's anticipated that the first consumer models could appear around 2027. While that might seem far off, it gives Meta time to refine the technology and address existing challenges. Meta Orion smart glasses represent a serious step into the future of technology. While the glasses have their challenges, there's still a long way to go before they become mainstream. They could fundamentally change how we communicate, work, and interact with digital data in ways we're just beginning to understand. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, the question remains: could smart glasses really replace smartphones in our daily lives? The implications are profound. If you enjoyed this discussion, please let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more engaging content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.